Welcome friends. Here now in this video we have to discuss some important formulae and the numericals regarding the rectilinear motion. Now for that purpose, first of all we have to consider the important formula. As in the rectilinear motion we have three equations of motion as v equal to u plus a into t, s equal to ut plus 1 half a into t square, v square equal to u square plus 2 into a into s. Now consider the motion under a gravity, that is put a equal to g instead of acceleration. We have to consider the gravitational acceleration as a g, that is v equal to u plus g into t. In the previous video we have to consider this as a g instead of a. Okay, s equal to ut plus 1 half gt square, and third one v square equal to u square plus 2 into g into s. Third, motion against the gravity, put a equal to minus of g, therefore v equal to u minus of gt. Second, s equal to ut minus 1 half g into t square, and the third one v square equal to u square minus 2 into g into s. Okay, next, here the meaning of the symbols is as follows, that is u equal to initial velocity, v is a final velocity, a is the acceleration, g is a gravitational acceleration whose value is 9.81 meter per second square, s is a distance travel in time t, and the t is simply time period. Here we have to consider some important note while solving the numericals, that is first put u equal to 0 meter per second if body start from the rest, that is if the body starts from the rest, put value of u equal to 0 in any equation of motion. Next, put v equal to 0 meter per second if body come to rest. If body come to rest, then put the value of v equal to 0 in equation of motion. Now put g equal to 9.81 meter per second square and u equal to 0 for freely falling body, that is if body is freely falling, then value of u equal to 0. And put v equal to 0 meter per second for upward motion of a body, that is if any body moving in upward direction, then put the value of v as a 0. Now first numerical we consider, that is consider this one numerical as, so first we read the numerical, that is a car starting from the rest, it accelerate in 10 seconds at the rate of 0.3 meter per second square. Determine its final velocity. First of all, what quantities are given we have to know by reading the given numerical or the example. Okay, first here the initial velocity u equal to 0 meter per second in this equation, because the body starts from the rest, therefore put the value of u equal to 0. The time period t is given as a 10 second, the acceleration a is given 0.3 meter per second square. So in order to find the final velocity, we must know the equation of motion in which we have the final velocity v, the initial velocity u, time period t, and the a. That is, we have the formula v equal to u plus a into t. That is solution. In order to simplify, first we have to write the its formula, that is v equal to u plus a into t. Put the values as v equal to u, value of u is 0, a is 0.3, and t is a 10. Therefore answer of this numerical is v equal to 3 meter per second, that is the final velocity is 3 meter per second. That is, we get the final velocity of a car as a 3 meter per second. Now similar way we consider the another numerical. First we read the numerical, that is an object come to rest from the velocity of 40 meter per second, that is come to rest, it come to rest. Okay, it is the important word in this equation, come to rest from the velocity of 40 meter per second in a distance of 8 meter, that is distance is given as a 8 meter. If acceleration is a constant, calculate its value, that is we have to calculate the value of acceleration. First of all, we have consider the given values. First consider v equal to 0 because body come to rest. Here the initial velocity u is given as a 40 meter per second square and the distance is equal to 8 meter. Therefore we know the formula for the acceleration in which we have the quantities as a v, as a u, that is initial velocity, and the distance s. Therefore consider the formula v square equal to u square plus 2 into a into s. That is, while simplifying, that is solution of this equation, as we know that v square equal to u square plus 2 into a into s, that is value of v is 0, value of u is 40, A is, we have to find out the value of A. Distance here is 8. Therefore 0 equal to 1600 plus 16a. After simplifying this equation, we get value of a as minus of 100 meter per second square. Here the negative value indicates that the velocity decreases with respect to time. That is, here the retardation takes place. In this way, we have to consider here the two numericals based on the formula. First formula is a v square equal to u square plus 2 into as, and the first one as a v equal to u plus at. Now remaining formula and the numericals will be discussed in the next video. Thank you once again.